Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Ford EcoSport AC not cooling and the possible causes that may be associated with reduced or ineffective air conditioning performance in certain Ford EcoSport models. AC not cooling in the Ford EcoSport generally refers to situations where the air conditioning system operates but fails to deliver sufficiently cold air inside the cabin. Verified technical information confirms that the EcoSport uses a conventional automotive air conditioning system designed to regulate cabin temperature through controlled refrigerant circulation, airflow, and electronic controls. When one or more elements in this system do not function as intended, cooling performance can be reduced. How this issue appears can vary by model year, engine option, climate conditions, and overall system condition. Documented information indicates that reduced cooling may be linked to issues affecting refrigerant circulation efficiency, airflow through the AC system, or the system's ability to maintain proper pressure and temperature balance. In some cases, components responsible for managing airflow or temperature regulation could be contributing factors. Older generations may experience different patterns compared to newer versions that use updated climate control designs and electronically monitored systems. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, driving environment, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Possible solutions depend on proper inspection and may include checking overall AC system operation, verifying airflow performance, and ensuring temperature control components function within expected parameters. These are general guidance steps and are not guaranteed fixes for every situation. In conclusion, AC cooling issues in the Ford EcoSport are not caused by a single universal factor and can differ across years and configurations. Accurate diagnosis is essential to determine the exact reason in any individual vehicle. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.